Wait, don't close. Look at this. If you don't watch this, you are going to miss something important.
This is my next long video.
I made these simple things at home. Material, 10 wooden scales, DC motor, 2-3000 watt battery, 20 gram LP, 1 page. Step 1, making redesign.
You can पे आपके लिए एक सरप्राइज है. Don't miss this video and
Step 2, making the basic. Fitting the wheels.
this is my next long video.
You see this, you are shocked.
Step 4, fitting motor in car.
Step 5, making design.
Actually run. You try it. Subscribe my YouTube channel.